Today edition, we are going to show our viewers how to make an ice cream with what you have. So today we're gonna start doing a banana ice cream, and it's all about the ingredients you have at home. It doesn't have to be anything extraordinary. So these are the ingredients. Everybody have milk in the house. In this case, I'm gonna use a Carnation milk. I'm gonna use 2. And you need a thick milk, what people call condensed milk. You need sugar, and you need vanilla extract. The most important thing is you need blender. You don't need any, like I said, you don't need anything extraordinary, just a blender. Everything that you have home, simple thing. So this is the banana. You cut the banana into pieces and you put it in the fridge for 2 hours. So this is one of the main ingredients we're gonna use. So first of all, I'm gonna put the banana and in this case I used a very ripe banana, the one that have a black spot on it. That will give you the more black spot you have on it, the more sugary it becomes. So we have a little bit of banana. I'm gonna leave some because after that we're gonna do chocolate ice cream. So I'm gonna just leave half of the banana. Then you need your milk. It depends on how thick you want it to be. I'm gonna use 2 milk. Maybe 1.5 would be good. Then you need the thick milk, what we call condensed milk. It is thick. It's gonna serve as a thickening agent. Gonna be served as a thickening agent. I'm trying to get as much of it as I can. That will make it more sweet too. So if you don't want it to be too sweet, then you don't have to add sugar. This is what I use as a measurement. If you don't want it too sweet, then you don't have to add another sugar. But this, I'm gonna add another sugar because I have 2 kids. I'm doing it for my kids. And because I'm gonna do vanilla flavor, I'm gonna use a little bit of vanilla extract. It's a brand new one. And you don't need a lot of extract. You just have to put in just a little bit just for the flavor. So that is it. Now in this case, if you want to make a caramel, you don't have to use a white sugar, then it's gonna be a brown sugar. That is if you want to make a banana ice cream caramel, you use a brown, but in this case I want to use a white. You just cover it and you just have to blend it. Okay. I want to make it like a puree, so this is a blended ice cream. So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it in this. I'm gonna cover it and I'm gonna put it in the deep freezer so that it can get, you know, that cluster kind of thing that we need. So we've already done with. So So we just have to wait for it to just, you know, get frozen a little bit. Then I'm gonna show you how the end result is gonna be. Hello, today's edition we're going to show you how to make strawberry ice cream with the simple thing that you have at home. So this is the ingredient we have. We have strawberry, we have frozen strawberry for 2 hours. You freeze it for 2 hours. And we still have our banana frozen for 2 hours. We still have our milk. Everybody have milk. You can use whole milk or you can use any kind of milk you want. And we have also thick milk or condensed milk. Then we have strawberry extract to just give it a flavor. So we're going to just put our banana. We're gonna put our banana. So we're gonna put in our strawberry just to give it that color. We're gonna add our milk. Then we're gonna add our strawberry extract, just for the flavor. Just a little bit will be okay. At this point, some people prefer to add sugar to it, but I prefer just to add just the thick milk. Now, if you want it to be more sweet, you just add sugar to it. But the last time I showed you how to prepare vanilla, I added sugar to it to make it more sweet. So now we're gonna blend it. So we're gonna blend it. As it's blending, you can see that it's giving you the color you want as a strawberry. So you wait for it to just be smooth. So now we just finished blending our vanilla ice cream. See how thick it is. So at this point, you just have to cover it and put it in the deep freezer for about an hour or maybe 30 minutes. You're gonna put it in the deep freezer. So this is the end of the banana ice cream, vanilla ice cream, and strawberry ice cream. So this is how it is. Tastes so good. Okay, let me taste the vanilla. So viewers, is how to make an ice cream. You don't have to buy ice cream again. You can make it at your home with the ingredients you have. Easy. Stay tuned to the next food that I'll put on my channel. Bye bye.